Hello and welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. It's me, Ar. Last video we talked about introduction of packaging, types of packaging, and function of packaging. In this video, I am going to talk about the types of packaging material. Types of packaging material includes the metal, plastic, woods, glass, and paper. So, types of packaging material. In packaging material, there are various types of packaging material. As I discussed in last plastic, metal, glass, box. So, these are the packaging material which are used both in food and non-food material. Let's talk about traditional packaging and modern packaging. What is traditional packaging? The packaging material which were used in early days or are used by our ancestors. Tree leaves, bamboo, lotus leaves, plum leaves, coconut shells, etc. are were used by our ancestors as a packaging material. So, in modern packaging, later on man-made materials were used, including fabric, ceramic, lacquering ware, woodware, paper, woodware, metal, plastics, etc. were used as a packaging material in modern. So, let's talk about metal. Low carbon steel covered with tin on both sides. Corrosion resistant, it is light in weight, used for packaging soup, soft drink, fruit juice, milk powder, beer, etc. Canning of fruits and vegetables. So basically, metals are used in those types of food product. What are the advantages of metal packaging? More shelf life. It has more shelf life than other packaging materials like plastic. It is low in weight, easy to handle. What is this? It cannot be recycled in acidic food. There is the limitation for the acidic product because acid it react with the metal. Different types of metal packaging materials for different has different types of packaging material. So the food product where we can use the metal packaging are metal container for pro, dried food powder and metal container for sweets and soft drink food, which also comes under the plastic packaging material. What Swiss multinational food packaging and processing company. Tetra Pak is a company in which Tetra means the group of four substances or four layer is known as Tetra. It is a four-layer composite packaging material. Further, it is converted into six layer. Tetra Pak is used as a packaging for processed milk, soft beverage, whole milk, cheese, ice cream, and processed fruit juice, etc. We also see the different types of Tetra Pak in our market, where we can see the mostly juice products, just like apple special types of dairy products which are basically in Tetra Pak. So what are the layer found in the Tetra Pak? Polyethylene paperboard, polyethylene aluminum foil, polyethylene food grade polyethylene. So these are the layer which we found. One of six layer packaging material in Tetra Pak. So let's discuss about the layer of packaging which we found in Tetra Pak. Polyethylene, what is outside moisture? Paper, which is found in layer 2 for stability and strength. Polyethylene, additional layer, aluminum foil, oxygen, flavor, and light barrier. It resists the oxygen, flavor, and light barrier. Polyethylene, additional layer, food grade polyethylene seals in the liquid. So another there is glass. Glass, it is the chemically inert. It neither react with food material nor food material react with packaging material. Made by the fusing of silicate and oxides of sodium, calcium, etc. Transparent, great strength and heat stability, long-term storage and extend shelf life. Basically, it is used for milk product, pickles, sauces, and marine food product, etc. So another, let's talk about the shelf life of milk powder in different packaging material. Shelf life. What is shelf life? Shelf life is defined as a period between production and the time the food item loses its state of safe and satisfactory quality in terms of nutritional value, microbiological status, flavor, texture, and so shelf life of milk product in different packaging material in metal can and metal pouch. Let's talk about in metal can. Metal can packaging milk powder highly popular for a long term, particularly for retail packaging. The main purpose for using metal can are excellent physical strength, properties of moisture, O2 and light, oxygen and light, with adequately constructed can a shelf life in excess of 5 years. In case of metal can, there is the shelf life of milk powder for 5 years. So in multi-layer pouches, milk powder is packed for commercially purpose in a capacity 250 gram to 2500 gram. This types of retail distribution usually entails exposure of high humidity, high temperature, high level of light. Commonly laminated pouches are used in which the milk powder has a shelf life ranges from 1 year to 2 years. So here we can see the differences in shelf life, where we can see the metal can has the 5 years shelf life in comparison to multi-layer pouches. But in case of multi-layer pouches, there is only 1 year to 2 year. It is the method of packaging that removes air from the packaging prior to sealing. This packaging usually removes oxygen from container to extend the shelf life of food product. The food product it is generally perishable, semi-perishable. So in this case, the generally food react with oxygen, where there will be the chance of oxidative rancidity. So the vacuum packaging means the remove it removes all the air from packaging material. It is dry food such as cereals, not cured meat, cheese, smoked fish, coffee, and potato chips. So gas packaging. Packaging in an airtight container in which the air has been replaced by an oxygen-free gas to prevent oxidation of the stored product. The gas packaging used is usually inert or of a nature that protect the integrity of the packet foods. It is used to extend the shelf life of packet foods like fried chips, instant noodles. There is aseptic packaging. Aseptic packaging is specialized manufacturing process in which food, pharmaceuticals, or other content are sterilized separately from packaging. Aseptic packaging is also known as the modern packaging method. It is completely technological packaging and scientific packaging. The content are then inserted into container in sterile environment. During the filling product in or during the canning or bottling of the product, the environment all are in sterile environment. All are condition. It is used for various food products like milk, soup, tomato, pudding, and several other. This is the information about food nano packaging. So it is categorized in the bio-based packaging, improved packaging, active packaging, and smart packaging. Temperature and moisture stability, mechanical strength, durability. It is the characteristics features of improved packaging. So whereas in bio-based packaging, it is biodegradable, biocompatible, low waste, and the active packaging, it has the characteristics from features of antimicrobial, other properties, antioxidant, UV absorbance. So the features of the smart packaging is sensory indicator, product identification, anti-active tags. So in conclusion, we are in slide. In conclusion, when choosing a packaging container, it is vital to choose the to protect or to extend the shelf life of product. We have to choose the packaging material of good condition. The packaging container should be in good condition. Some container may leach harmful chemical into your product. There is the migration of the chemical component into our food product. So the package should not be harmful in chemical. Consumers are becoming more conscious of recycled material, increasing the demand of biodegradable and reusable content. So we have to packaging material which can be recyclable. This was for today. Thank you.